morning time the next day, and Hunter just had a shower. Now he's eating breakfast. What are you eating?
I need pancakes.
Oh, oh. What happened?
I don't know.
Get your toothbrush. Sunscreen.
My mom finished all my haircuts.
Now what are we gonna do?
School.
What are you gonna do?
Be good.
Follow directions. You gonna load your backpack up?
Mm-hmm.
Let's put your snacks in folders in your backpack.
Come here.
Where do you want me to go? You gonna get in the car and drive? What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna get in the car and you drive.
Say, Daddy, come on.
Daddy, come on. Hi.
Go. You ready for school?
Okay, be good. Okay. Mwah. Be good. Kapari. Then I always like to go in with this brush. It's a MAC brush. It's actually a contour brush, but I always like to make sure it's patted in. And I don't know why I like this brush for it. To kind of press it into my skin. I have a lash appointment this morning. I have all my stuff set up. I just always like to make sure when they come in, all they got to do is lay down, because I got my lash map all ready to go. Got the spoolie. This lady here in particular, she doesn't like iPads because she's allergic to latex. I just put tape on her bottom lashes and then she's good. I got this new Glamcore wannabe light. I feel like the brand Newer is so good because their quality is so much better. I have different functions that I can change the color. I can do red light therapy, and that is really good for older people because that helps with fine lines and wrinkles, and then acne. So you basically turn this light on, you sit under it for, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, and then you sit, and then it helps your fine lines and wrinkles. I just put a little bit of makeup on because 1, I didn't really have time, and then 2, I like to do my full face after I'm lashing because I always get lash marks on my face, so you will see that after I'm finished. There's really nothing I can do because safety first, you know? So I was supposed to film a YouTube video yesterday, but then I didn't have the mic for it because I got a new phone, so I had to get some adapters for USB-C. So hopefully that comes today because I really need to film a video for YouTube because I haven't in such a long time, and I wanted to do like what I got for Black Friday, and I have no lashes on. And then I broke a nail. Luckily, this video won't be on film, or if it does, it's not gonna be because the camera is gonna be right here. Oh my gosh, dang, that's crazy. Dang, this is big.
Go ahead and open it. Your what is it? North Carolina colors?
Memphis.
Whatever.
How dare you?
Blue and white.
So nice. This feels. How do you do this?
With a lot of time and patience.
You like braid it, or do you have a big crochet?
No, I do my fingers. I braid it with my fingers.
Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Dang, it's so thick.
Yeah.
And heavy.
That's why I told you. The yarn costs a lot. So you wash it with you put it on the delicate cycle.
Okay.
You can tumble dry on low.
Okay. Or hang dry?
Or hang it. Okay. Whichever. It'll be really heavy, but yeah. Go throw it and let's see where you're gonna put it in.
Oh, you know how to play chess? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Let's see how it looks with my light. This is so cute. I can't wait to get the other chair. I need to get the other chair,
But so she has to work, then go home, take care of her son, take him to appointment.
Dang it, I forgot to record how I look after I finish lashing, but I usually have like big indents from my mask, and I am putting on the rest of my makeup. And that's what I normally do. The size difference is this to that. This is what. Hunter, who has this?
I don't know.
Grandma. Grab it. What size? Let me see. It is a full. What color do you want? You want this color or that color? Or blue? This one?
I don't want that one. I want my color.
This one?
Yes,
That's a cool color.
Yes, I want.
Are you guys done fighting?
No.
Hunter, are you done fighting? Okay, we just got home. Mission accomplished, along with some other things. Remember this game, Trouble? I thought it was Sorry. Oh no, it's Trouble. This, wondering if I should make him wait. Then Aunt got his Uggs. What are they called? Mules?
Tasmans.
They're called mules?
Tasmans.
Anthony,
Tasmans?
we got, guess what we got for you?
What did you get from me?
A toy.
What toy? No.
This.
Trouble? Because he's...
Daddy toy.
I know, but you have to share it.
I gotta share.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes,
No, I don't. No, I don't.
I wonder if I have to season this thing. Well, I think they recommend that you season this thing. Okay, Smart Oven Pro. It doesn't say recommended. Season. Okay, testing. 1, 2, 3. Oh shoot, I forgot I need to change my shirt into a red one. Okay, testing. Okay, hi, welcome. I have so many goods to show you guys. So I'm gonna close out the vlog for tonight. Hunter is cleaning his mess that he made. The house is a mess.
I want to make you mess. I keep making messes.
Why?
Because I love sleeping.
Huh?
Because I love sleeping.
Wow. You're funny. Silly. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.